Hey, everyone! Are you an inventor looking to protect your new invention from competitors? Then you need to know how to create a good patent. In this video, we'll go over some essential tips to help you make a strong and effective patent. Do your research. Before filing a patent, you should conduct thorough research to ensure that your invention is truly unique. This means searching through patent databases and doing a comprehensive patent search to avoid any potential patent infringement claims. Draft a detailed patent application. Your patent application should be thorough and detailed, including a clear description of your invention, how it works, and how it is different from existing technology. Make sure to use clear language and diagrams to illustrate your invention, and include any relevant data or test results. Work with an experienced patent attorney. An experienced patent attorney can help you navigate the patent application process and ensure that your patent is as strong and effective as possible. They can also help you avoid costly mistakes and help you develop a strategy to defend your patent in case of any legal disputes. Consider international protection. If you plan to market your invention internationally, you should consider filing for international patents as well. This can help protect your invention from competitors in other countries and expand your market reach. Stay up to date with patent law. Patent law is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date with any updates or changes that may affect your patent. This can help you stay ahead of competitors and ensure that your patent remains effective and enforceable. And there you have it. These tips should help you create a strong and effective patent that will protect your invention from competitors and help you succeed in the market. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.